This is Jayde Gill, and for you today we're doing 2011 AP Calculus AB free response question number 2. Number 2 says, as a pot of tea cools, the temperature of the tea is modeled by a differentiable function h for 0 less than equal to t less than equal to 10, where time t is measured in minutes and temperatures. Ht is measured in degrees Celsius. Values of Ht at selected values of time t are shown in the table above. And here is the table. So 2a says, use the data in the table to approximate the rate at which the temperature of the tea is measured at time t equals 3.5. Show the computation that leads to your answer. So we're trying to find t equals 3.5, so you look at the chart, and t equals 3.5, you see is obviously not in the chart, 3.5, so you're going to find the numbers that are between 3.5 or close to 3.5, which in this case it's going to be 2 and 5. So step 1 is you're going to do h5 minus h2 over 5 minus 2. And then when you look back at the chart to get h5 and h2, you're going to see what the y is for 2 and 5. So the y for 2 is 60 and the y for 5 is 52. So step 2, you do 52 minus 60 over 5 minus 2. Once you plug that into your calculator, you should get a negative answer of negative 2.667 degrees Celsius per minute. So for 2a, you get 1 point for just for the answer. So for 2b, it says, using correct units, explain the meaning of 1 over 10 integral 10 to 0 ht dt in context of this problem. Use a trapezoid sum with the 4 subintegral indicated by the table to estimate 1 over 10 integral 10 to 0 ht dt. So to explain it in context, the explanation is that 1 over 10 integral 10 to 0 ht dt is the average temp of the tea in degrees Celsius over the 10 minutes, since it was from 10 to 0. So step 1, to use the trapezoid sum. To do that, you're going to use the chart, and this is how you do it. So you're going to do 1 over 10, 2 times 66 plus 6 over 2. So you got the 2 from, you're going to do 0 subtract 2, or in this case 2 subtract 0, which is 2. And then you're going to do times 66 plus 60. And you're going to do over 2 since there's 2 numbers. So plus 3 times 60 plus 52 over 2. So like right here, 5 minus 2 is 3, which is where you get the 3, and you're going to do times 60 plus 52 over 2. That's how you got this right here. Plus 4 times 52 plus 44 over 2, plus 1 times 44 plus 43 over 2. Once you plug all that into your calculator, you should get the answer of 52.95. So for 2b, you get a point for the meaning of expression, which is right there. You get 1 point for the trapezoid sum, which is doing all of this right here. And then you get another point just for the answer. So let's look at 2c. 2c says, evaluate integral 10 to 0 h derivative t dt using correct units. Explain the meaning of the expression in the context of this problem. So for that, you're going to do h10 minus h0, which is going to be 43, and subtract 66, which h10 is 43 that we got. That's how we got the 43, and h0 is 66. Once you do that, your answer is going to be negative 23. So the explanation for C, to explain that, you're going to say the temperature of the tea drops 23 degrees Celsius from time t equals 0 to time t equals 10 minutes. So for that, you get 1 point for the value of integral, just for using that. And then after that, you get 1 just for your explanation. So 2D says, at time t equals 0, biscuits with temperature 10 Celsius were removed from an oven. The temperature of the biscuits at time t is modeled by a differentiable function, b for which is known for that. B derivative t equals negative 13.84 e to negative 0.173 t. Using the given model at time t equals 10, how much cooler are the biscuits than the tea? So for step 1, you're going to find B10. Since the biscuits, when they got out, they're 100 degrees, you start with 100, and then to add on, you're going to do plus integral 10 to 0, b derivative t dt, which was this equation, and then you're going to enter that into your calculator, and when you do, you should get 34.18275. Step 2, you're going to do you're going to do H10 minus B10. And then for that, you're going to get 8.817. The answer, which is your explanation, is the biscuits are 8.817 degrees Celsius cooler than the tea. So for 2D, you get 1 point for the integrate. You get another point for using B0 equals 100. And then you get another point for your answer. So at the end of this whole total equation, you're going to get a total of 9 points. I hope I explained everything very well for you today, and have a good day. Thanks for watching.